In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use text-to-speech in ElevenLabs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. First things first, you want to log into your ElevenLabs account. Once you're in, look over to your left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll find an option called History. Click on that, and this will open up your History panel. This area is super handy because it gives you a chronological log of every audio clip you've generated. You can easily revisit older clips or locate something you've made in the past. Now, once you're in your History panel, scroll through the list to find the specific audio file, voiceover segment, or chapter track that you want to save locally. Take your time to sift through, as this will be crucial for what you need moving forward. After you've found the audio track you're looking for, the next step is to look over to the right side of the specific audio row or card. There, you'll see a download icon, which is represented by a downward-facing arrow. This is your gateway to saving your audio file. Go ahead and click that icon. Depending on your account settings, your browser will immediately start to download the track as either an MP3 or a WAV file. It's as simple as that. Now, if you're working on a larger project and need multiple tracks, I've got a little tip for you. Instead of downloading them one by one, you can actually bulk download your audio files. To do this, just check the selection boxes next to multiple generation rows. After you've selected the tracks you want to download, go to the top of the history list and click the button that says Download Selected. This will compile all your selected tracks into a single file download, making your life a whole lot easier. And there you have it. You've just learned how to navigate through your history, locate your audio tracks, and download them either individually or in bulk. This can be incredibly useful whether you're creating content for a project, editing videos, or simply making a personal archive of your voiceovers. Remember, ElevenLabs offers a powerful platform for text-to-speech creation, and being able to download and manage those voice files effectively will enhance your workflow immensely. So, if you found this guide helpful and feel more confident in using ElevenLabs, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.